How to fix sound problem on old school RuneScape. What's up everyone? Who will solve this issue together? Let's do it. Open the settings of your device first. Click on apps option and search for old school RuneScape and click. Right here, scroll down this list, click storage and click on clear cache. You should back right now, click on force stop and click OK. And go to Play Store or App Store and update old school RuneScape. Restart now your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.